What would it feel like to you to get up every morning and know that you are respected? People look you in the eye. They shake your hand nice and firm and they say, "Oh my goodness, what a pleasure it is to have you here." What would that feel like to you? Because it has a visceral feeling in your body. Well, the same way I asked you, what would it feel like to get up and know that you are respected? What would that feel like? You see, if you toyed with that during the day, something will happen to you. You'll begin to walk more erect, will you not? Think about that for a minute. Because if I ask you, oh my God, what does it feel like when you walk into a room and nobody sees you? What does it feel like to say something and nobody hears you? Oh, you see how your shoulders slump and you get that feeling in your chest and you feel like crap? Yeah. So instead of habitually going to that place that says, nobody hears me, I could holler and nobody hears me. What if they did hear you? What kind of feeling does that generate in your physical body? That is where you turn. Every time that you catch yourself going back to the old, and the only reason why we go back to the old state is because we were doing it longer. Not because you don't have skills. Only because you've been doing it longer do you go back to it, because it is familiar. It is the path of least resistance. But the more you practice mentally asking and answering that question, oh my God, what would it feel like if they totally looked me in the eye? What if my boss came to me and said, listen, I need your input on this? What would that make you feel like? That is where you turn. That is where you polarize yourself. You know why? What happens when you polarize yourself there mentally? Because you're feeling it in your body now, yeah? Oh, yes. When you polarize yourself there, you walk different, you move different, you talk different. You now become a whole different person. But you know what? It's not enough to become that person for 20 minutes. You don't become a person for 20 minutes. Are you not a person now? Have you not been a person for 40 years? 20 years? 15 years? 17 years? I've been a person for 29 years. We are persons every day. So this new person is a lifestyle, not a flash in the pan. So you don't feel confident for 20 minutes. And then something happens, you're like, see, I knew it wouldn't work. No, get up and go back to the mentality that answers the question, oh, what would it feel like to me to be respected? What would it feel like to me to be the one to come up with the idea? What would that feel like if I were respected? What would it feel like to be a man or a woman who is respected? And recognize you don't have to force somebody to respect you. You know what happens when you use force, right? You meet resistance. Yeah. Yeah. We don't want that, do we? No.